Everyone talks about real estate millionaires, but almost nobody knows the truth behind how they actually got rich. It's not luck. It's not starting with a pile of cash. And it's definitely not the motivational quotes you see online. The real story is far more shocking, because these people play by a completely different set of rules. They buy when everyone else is scared, they use the bank's money instead of their own, and they profit from strategies the average person has never even heard of. I'm exposing the mindset, the methods, and the hidden playbook that turns ordinary investors into real estate millionaires. Today, we'll talk about the shocking truth behind real estate millionaires. They start by understanding one simple rule. The first truth is that real estate millionaires master one principle early. Money is made when you buy, not when you sell. Unlike beginners who chase pretty houses or emotional decisions, wealthy investors focus on buying undervalued properties, distressed sellers, or markets that others ignore. They study neighborhoods the way analysts study the stock market. They look at migration patterns, job growth, school ratings, zoning laws, and rental yield potential. Before they buy anything, they already know the exit strategy: sell, rent, flip, or refinance. The shocking part? Most millionaires spend more time researching deals than actually buying them. They use the bank's money, not their own. Perhaps the biggest misconception is that real estate millionaires are rich because they start with a lot of money. In reality, most of them master the art of leverage, borrowing money from banks, private lenders, or investors to control assets much larger than their own cash. They understand that $20,000 in the bank can become a $200,000 property through financing. This is how real estate multiplies wealth. They aren't buying houses. They're acquiring cash-flowing assets using other people's money. While the average person fears debt, millionaires use debt as their tool for expansion. This mindset alone separates them from 95% of people. They buy during fear and sell during hype. A shocking truth is that most real estate millionaires grow their wealth during times of panic. When the economy slows, interest rates rise, or headlines warn of a housing crash, most people retreat, but millionaires move in. They know markets are cyclical, and the best discounts come during uncertainty. Conversely, when everyone brags about flipping houses, when bidding wars become normal, and when social media is full of investment success stories, they quietly start selling. They ride the waves others create. Timing the market isn't luck, it's strategy. They don't buy houses, they buy income streams. Most beginners look at a property and think about how beautiful it is. Real estate millionaires look at the same property and think, what is the monthly cash flow? How soon can I recover my down payment? How much will the value appreciate in 5 years? They see every property as a business unit, not a home. This shift in thinking is critical. A millionaire might buy an unattractive building in a working-class neighborhood because it delivers high rental yield, while a beginner wastes money on a dream rental that barely breaks even. Wealthy investors run numbers, not emotions. They build their network before they build their portfolio. Another shocking habit: most real estate millionaires become wealthy through connections, not just cash. They build a team long before they scale: a trusted agent, contractor, property manager, lawyer, lender, and sometimes even local politicians. These relationships give them access to pocket listings, off-market deals, foreclosure opportunities, and insider market intelligence. The average investor only sees what's listed online, but millionaires get deals nobody else even knows exist. Connections are the currency of real estate success. They exploit tax loopholes the average person doesn't know about. This is one of the biggest secrets behind real estate wealth. Millionaires reduce their tax burden through strategies like depreciation, 1031 exchanges, cost segregation studies, and tax-deductible mortgage interest. In some cases, investors with multiple properties pay less in taxes than employees earning a fraction of their income. Real estate is one of the few industries where the government rewards you for borrowing money, investing in assets, and providing housing. This is why so many millionaires stay in the game. They aren't just earning money, they're keeping almost all of it. They scale faster than their fear. Every real estate millionaire reaches a moment where one property becomes two, two becomes five, and five becomes a full portfolio. The shocking truth is that this scaling happens not because they feel secure, but because they act despite fear. They understand the numbers, assess the risks, and take action before their confidence catches up. In contrast, most people wait until they feel ready, a moment that often never comes. Millionaires build momentum through action, not perfection. They choose boring wealth over flashy success. While beginners dream of luxury real estate and high-end flips, millionaires build wealth through the boring stuff: multifamily rentals, small apartment buildings, industrial spaces, and land deals. These properties don't always look glamorous, but they deliver reliable cash flow for decades. The shocking part is that boring real estate often outperforms high-risk, flashy projects. Millionaires don't chase excitement, they chase stability. And stability is where long-term wealth is created. The truth: anyone can do it, but few will. The final shocking truth is this: real estate millionaire success is possible for almost anyone, but achievable by only a few. Why? Because it requires patience, delayed gratification, risk tolerance, financial literacy, and a willingness to act while others hesitate. Becoming wealthy in real estate isn't complicated, but it isn't easy. Those who commit, study, network, and consistently take action eventually reach the milestone others only dream about. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.